Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to handle your banking smoothly in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to deposit a check on Go2bank, the user-friendly app that's making financial tasks easier than ever. Whether you're a busy professional or just starting out with mobile banking, this step-by-step guide will get you depositing checks in no time, and it's super straightforward. First things first, ensure you've got the latest version of the Go2bank app on your smartphone. It's packed with 2025 updates for faster processing and enhanced security. Open the app and log in securely using your username and password or biometric options like fingerprint or Face ID. Once you're in, head straight to the home screen where you'll spot the Deposit button. It's designed for quick access so you don't waste any time. Now, tap on Mobile Check Deposit. The app will prompt you to enter the check amount, so double-check that figure to avoid any errors. Next up, you'll need to endorse your check by signing the back in writing, for mobile deposit only. This is a crucial step for security. Then, use your phone's camera to take clear photos of the front and back of the check. Make sure the lighting is good and the entire check is in frame. Go2bank's AI will help guide you for the perfect shot. After snapping the photos, review the details on the screen, including the amount and account information, to ensure everything looks correct. Hit Submit, and voila, your deposit is on its way. In 2025, Go2bank processes most checks within minutes, but keep an eye on your account for confirmation. If you run into any issues, like a blurry photo, the app has built-in troubleshooting tips. And that's it. Depositing a check on Go2bank is quick, secure, and hassle-free. Give this method a try next time you get a check, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more 2025 banking hacks. Thanks for watching, stay savvy.